you doing? Okay, I want to really quickly make 2 points about waves, the nature of waves. The first point is that we tend, as educators, to withhold physics demonstrations until later elementary, high school, and even college level, when they should be presented at the primary level because the actual physical actions involved are that simple. For example, what do you need to know in order to use a plasma ball? You need to know how to turn it on, touch it, and turn it off. Now, admittedly, turning things off is a learned behavior, and a lot of kids don't get that until elementary level. It's related to the toddler's behavior of playing with something and then just dropping it on the floor and moving on to the next thing. It takes time to learn to actually turn things off. So, now, let's talk about transverse and longitudinal waves. I have an aluminum rod, $7 at Home Depot. I use a chop saw to cut it roughly into 2/3 and 1/3. It doesn't have to be precise because length doesn't matter to the physical fact that we're going to demonstrate. And all we have to do is hold one of these and then hit it with the other one, which is why you can do it at the primary level. There are controls of error. I got to move back a little bit here. You can't hold it like this because it won't work. This is a pincer grasp. And then, like a musical instrument, you have to find the sweet spot in the rod to get the tone you want. Now, transverse means to hit from the side. Now, I'm working with a $300 Toshiba laptop here, so the microphone is not studio quality, you know what I'm saying? Okay, I missed that one. I'm finding the sweet spot. There you go. Now, it's tempting as a teacher to put a mark on the rod so it's easier for the child to find, but really what you want is for the child to actually have to find it every time. You don't want to give it away with visual clues the same way you don't want to give away polarity with a magnet by painting one side of the magnet red and the other side blue. Alright, now let's go for, that's transverse, right? You just hit it from the side. And we're going to go for longitudinal, which means you hit it on the end. Now this is another control of error because you actually have to hit it on the end. And that takes a little bit of practice. And again, it's going to change depending on where you hold it. That was not good. Alright, I'm still looking for those upper harmonics here. That was nice. Got some traffic out there.